stew. Size of this bloody thing. Big onion, Jane. Again? Ooh, the sun's come out beautiful. Is it like, oh, it looks clear, Jane. Ugh. Quick test. Nope, not yet. That's the sound we like. So leeks and onions are in. Bit of salt. Okay, and what's in here? You should know me by now. Yeah, hold on, it's coming out a bit. Herbs of Provence. Whoa, smell that! Little splash of the O2. If you leave your handle up, bit of a hack here on your it'll fall down that way, but stay up that way. Saves you burning your hands. Okay, let's just get these onions sort of like transparent. Jane's just going to get some sel and poivre. This is going to be mixed in, which is stick of seasoning in. It's only me and Jane. Yeah, this is all out the well, apart from the leeks, isn't it? Out the garden and the big onion.
Got leeks?
Yeah, I got leeks in there. Oh, you're joking! It's out of the garden.
It's huge, look.
No, they're not. They're tiny. Out of focus. Put the salt in. Sorry, I didn't show you that. You don't want to see that. Carrot, three-legged carrot. Where are you looking, Jay? It's not even there. Here. Not yet. Going to cut them up. That's out the garden. Spuds out the garden. They didn't do that well, did they? They thought they were doing all right. Eh? But they're all right. We've got different mixtures. I don't know what they were. That was from 30 foot away. Yeah. Oh, there's a lid off, I think. Hold on. Things seem to set, don't they, when they get a bit damp. Garlic going in. Then we'll put the lid on. White pepper, brown pepper, loads at the same time, or black pepper, whatever you call it. Plenty of pepper, look at that. Quick raz, put the lid on. Come back in about 20 minutes, I think. Get the spuds covered up. Maybe parsnips out the garden. Boing! Woo! I did have a hooky device to get this off with. Hammer will do. Yeah. The joys of cooking. No! I'll get you. Oh, them long enough yet, Jane. Do you want to put the beans in yet? No. So spuds are doing 8. Let's have a look. Oh, not there, we're not far off, we're not far off, we're not far off. I knew you must go in, you must. I knew I love. I don't think Jane likes me doing that. One, I don't know. There we go. How many should you put in? Quite a few. Put all the baby ones in, I think. Baby, what would you like? Okay, and there, that'll do. Dash more water, not much. That'll do. I was going to make some dumplings, but I forgot. I'm going to go to the shop and get some suet. Anyway, there we go. So next time we should be dishing this with a bit of luck. I've done that one side.
Extra seal. Looks good.
Ready for the old winter. Is that all right?
Just leave it without doing it with your feet.
Yeah, there's no need to.
Oh, I think you've gone out.
Been blown out by the wind. There we go. Ready? Just let it. That's it. This is ready, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that.
I'll take the plates.
Yes, please. Woohoo!
Enough for tomorrow.
Yeah, let me just turn that down so I can serve it.
Little birdie wants to join in. We do like to have tea in the wood, don't we?
I'll have the big spuds because you're not a big spud person, are you?
I don't mind.
You like, would you prefer spuds or meat?
Meat.
You were going to say that. I'll get you the mud, yeah. I'm going to get you the mud.
So not.
What's that? I've got a...
Stringy bean?
Yeah. Possum the snapper, snapper sniff. Go. Ready? Oh no, it's not a very good one, this one.
Okay. Hurry up, this mine's going cold.
Okay. No, tender as well. Oh! The tree over there, what we were going to do was use my crossbow with a bolt. I've been corrected on that now. And
Yeah,
we're
we
gonna
forgot.
chuck it over one of the branches, take it round, take it over again one of the branches, yeah, and then just try and pull the branch off. It's all dead, but
Just to make it safe.
I forgot my wheel and line, so it'll be another one. That's another video coming. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much indeed. And the subscribe button's over here. Upcoming videos over there. Take care. I'll catch you next vid. Bye, Jane.
Bye, Mark.